Welcome, dear students. I am Professor Shubhangi Dawange from Pravara Science Academy. This is the fourth session for chapter Carbon and Important Element. In first two sessions, we learn about the different allotropes of carbon. In this session, firstly, we learn about carbon dioxide. Molecular formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44. Melting point of carbon dioxide is minus 56.6 degree Celsius, and the percentage of carbon dioxide in air in free state is 0.03%. Carbon dioxide can occur in the air in free state and it is about 0.03%. Exhaled air contains about 4% of CO2, means the air that we have given out, it contains 4% of CO2. Also, CO2 is present as a salt in chalk and shahabad tiles, marble and limestone. CO2 is given out in the combustion of wood and the fossil fuel coal. Now, where we can use carbon dioxide? So, carbon dioxide is used to make aerated drinks. Aerated drinks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, etc. Then carbon dioxide in solid state is used in cold storage. Also, to keep milk and milk products and frozen substances cool during transport, CO2 is used. It is also used for getting special effects of a mist in dramas and movies. CO2 obtained by chemical reaction or kept under pressure is used in fire extinguisher. Liquefied CO2 is used to remove caffeine from coffee. So, and well-known example is plants use CO2 in air for photosynthesis. So, as we know that CO2 is used in fire extinguisher. So, now we learn about the regular fire extinguisher. So, a regular fire extinguisher contains sodium bicarbonate powder and dilute sulfuric acid is placed in a glass capsule. The capsule breaks on pressing the knob. The sulfuric acid comes in contact with the sodium bicarbonate. Reaction takes place and CO2 is released. So, you can see here the regular fire extinguisher. So, in first figure, actually how it is looking, it is shown, and in next figure, you can see the knob. Then the capsule, glass capsule is there, and in that gas capsule, sulfuric acid is there, and after that powder of sodium carbonate is there. So, when the knob is pressed, the sulfuric acid comes in contact with the sodium bicarbonate. Reaction takes place and CO2 is released, which is used for extinguishing the fire. Now, where we can use regular fire extinguisher. Now, as CO2 based fire extinguisher do not cause corrosion and are non-conductors of electricity. Therefore, these are used when electrical and electronic equipment catches fire. But these extinguishers are useful for small scale fire, but we cannot use this for large scale or a big fire because it is beyond their capacity to extinguish a big fire. In modern fire extinguishers, liquid and solid CO2 is filled under pressure. On reducing the pressure, it becomes gaseous and comes out forcefully through the horn-like hose pipe. And here chemical reaction takes place as NaHCO3 plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus H2O and CO2 is evolved. So, this is the regular fire extinguisher and it is used for extinguishing the fire due to the electrical or electronic equipments. Now, we learn about the biogas plant. I think all you have heard about biogas plant, or some of you may have seen this plant. So, firstly we will see that is what is a biogas. So, animal dung, dry leaves, wet garbage get decomposed by anaerobic microbes in a biogas plant. This produces methane gas. It is called as biogas. Biogas is a very cheap fuel. Biogas contains about 55% to 60% methane and rest is carbon dioxide. Biogas fuel used for cooking and it is also used for production of an electricity. So, here biogas structure is shown. You can see the biogas plant here. So, here a oval shaped chamber is there and one knob is there to exit the gas and two sides. So, one chamber is there to mix the slurry of cattle dung and so underground digester chamber is there. So, where the dung and water mixture reacts with each other and bacteria acts on that and methane gas is evolved. So, this is the biogas plant. Now, how the biogas is produced in biogas plant? So, production of biogas or biogas production process. Production of biogas is an anaerobic process. So, anaerobic process means what? It is the process in which oxygen is not inhaled, and if oxygen is inhaled then it is called as aerobic. Anaerobic means absence of oxygen. So, it takes place in two stages. First stage, production of acids. So, in this stage, the microbes act on the biodegradable complex organic compound and produce organic acids. Second stage is methane gas production. The methanogenic bacteria act on the organic acid to produce methane gas. So, by these two stages, methane gas is produced and which further used for the cooking, and also it is used for the production of an electricity. So, this is the fourth and last session for chapter carbon and important element. So, in this session, we learn about carbon dioxide, then uses of carbon dioxide, regular fire extinguisher, and about biogas plant. I hope you all understood this session. Thank you, dear student, for watching this session.